French toast. 2 slices bread. This is my first time using the app with the Android, so we'll see how that works. So far, so good. Cinnamon. I love this recipe. It's so good. Mind you, it's about it's almost 2 in the afternoon, so this is my lunch. Vanilla extract though. Boom. Oh, almost. There we go. Mix, please. There we go. Doesn't have to be too tight. Some people go too tight and then they dislodge the gasket and have a leak. Then they blame the Vitamix, and it's not the Vitamix fault. All right, mix. Alright, that's it. Come back down here, advance, put everything on this bread. Now let it soak and cook, just like I did the last time. Making a breakfast burrito for my wife. So I'm cooking that, and while that is cooking and I serve it to her, that's going to be absorbed. All right, it's pretty much ready.